First of all, a very delightful morning to one and all present here. I am Vaibhav Singh of grade 8 standing before you to share my views on the topic Actions Speak Louder Than Words. So, it is certainly said that this proverb was given by Benjamin Franklin. It is truly said that this emphasizes the fact that words should not be given so much importance that they start to influence or rule anyone's thoughts, consultations, and their lifestyles. Actions are the only evidence that can justify the words. Without action, any word cannot be justified, and they are just like a dead body. When we do actions, then the body starts to move. It means the words regain their own power and identification. Today, the society is full of bunch of crooks, which only believes in showing off their appearance, beauty, knowledge, strength, fashion, and more. But they have forgotten that all these things needs words to disperse themselves throughout the whole world. Action is the only thing which can justify the royalty. It is truly said that action A is at the first position in the row, while the word W is only at the last position because of its virtuality. The great queen Rani Lakshmibai told that a nation without a culture is a wasteland. In the same way, words without meaning and action have no significance. So everything should be done in pure form with actions, and the society will praise you for your actions, not for the words. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Respect, dignity and regards are earned. It is not asked from others. I am Nishant Kumar, present beside you to give a presentation on the topic of action speaks louder than words. Imagine two persons, one is talk active and always talks, while other sit lonely. Think himself. It's obviously most of people think about second person. This says us that action speaks louder than words. If we choose our path other from the crowd, then the crowd will think about us. That's how respect is gained. We should never be panicked. We should never show our emotions because it makes us weaker. If we are losing a match, then we should not show our emotion that guide us. In last, I would like to thank you to the all generous audience.
First of all, I would like to say a very good morning to you all present here. This is Nitish from Standard 8, currently studying CBSE Competitive School. Today, I get a golden opportunity to share my experience on the topic of action speak louder than words. Action speak louder than words is a proverb with a deep hidden meaning inside. Most of the people having the habit of broadcasting about what they are going to achieve in the future in a exaggerated form. But it is not so. In a family, also someone may say they care about you, but their action speak otherwise. It is the action that ultimately matter in determining the extent of their bonding. Words are easy to occur, but action is a pure test of reality. Action is the particle phenomena of anything. When people evaluate, they find action is better than word. It has a real effect of anything. In this collection, Benjamin Franklin also said, "A well done is better than well said." Means people cannot do much with their words, but when people follow through with doing something well, it benefits. However, you are doing it for that. So thank you.
A very good morning to all of you. Myself J.S. Kumar from class 8, and today I am going to deliver a speech on the topic of an action speaks louder than words. If you say that action speaks louder than words, then you probably means that an action shows about the person's attitude, expression, and personality. And words are easy to say, but actions need your dedication and hard work. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you, respected teachers, principal, and all my dear friends. I am Priyanshu from Standard 8, and today I am here to deliver a short speech on the topic of how actions are better than words. It is said that actions are better than words because of its probability of being complete. And without any action, we can't accept that words are strong. It's as truth as death for a human being. And action speaks louder means without any action, a word is nothing else but false. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning to all my dear friends and respected teacher. Today I am here to say something about an important proverb that is we use when enemy is not set right from word. They set right from action. When enemy not set right than word, then we take some action from that. The enemy can be set right from action. Then yes, I am talking about important proverb. Action speaks louder than word. It is commonly attribute on the scholar that action is not what to ultimate result of leadership. Yes, talk about important line. Action speaks louder than word. That means what we say is do is better than what we say. Nowadays, it has been generally acquainted with all their action and difference, similarity between action and words. They tell something that other and do something else. In soft works, you see that boss leads him example on the lever. He demonstrate the employees that what you have to do and how you have to do. It is better than doing with example is more effective than told than what you have to do and what you have to not do. Think about politician who promises from the public that when I will win in election, then I make some changes. But their words may sound good, but their lack of action is show their reality. There are many examples whose actions show their reality. They also told so much, but their actions show reality. Like Subhash Chandra Bose, Azad, Chandrasekhar Azad, Jawaharlal Nehru, etc. And the inner motive is that a person who push them that for making some take and action. In a school, you have seen then that teacher takes some action for set right for a student. Then when a student not set right from word, then teacher takes some action that how a student can changes their manner. Then we take action. So action speaks louder than word. That's all. Thank you for today and have a nice day.
First of all, respected teachers and all my dear friends, my name is Dishan Ali from Standard 7th. I am here to deliver speech on the topic of action speak on the louder of the world. So that I am talking about action. Action is a very types and so speak. Speak is a word lectured by the speak teachers and invention to can prove it. So action is a very type and a very cultural and improvement. So action to speak X. Action is a what is not powerful powerful the speak X, and so action is a very powerful and a change of the world and can teachers and student, doctor, military, etc. Like Mahatma Gandhi, all his world the work is happened the action to the can. So Mahatma Gandhi was always action to not distribution of our world. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Ayush Paswan from Standard 8. Today's my topic is action speak louder than word. Action. Action means we do anything without action. If you say that action is louder than word, this sentence was picked by Mark Twain and to advise the people to courage.
A very warm, pleasant morning to one and all present here.
This is Shivam from Standard 8. Today I discuss about on the topic of action speak louder than words. Action speak louder than words is idiom that action is most important than words. A trust is earned by a word and a trust is earned by word and no more a new word alone. To claim that words action are justified the what people want to do action are action without action people many words are say that and action are very important in intelligent people action are talk about intelligent people are not talk they are most action action are the in a politician are very many action are doing in and words are not. So I last what would I say that action are very important than words. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you respected sir, principals and my dear brother and sister. First of all, as you know that I am Manish Yadav from Standard 8th. Today I am deliver a speech on the topic of the action louder than word. The proverb action louder than word means is a valuable listen life. Great leader and moral
First of all, a very good morning to all of you respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. Myself, Aman Misra, is Standard 8. I am going to deliver a speech on the topic of action speaker louder than words. We are action are in the world of actually bombarded and slogans. There are many slogans are action by the people of that's all.
Good morning, all around present here. Myself Sakil from class 8. Today my golden opportunity to share my thoughts about the action louder than word. Means invention has made doctors' jobs easier, helps people stay healthy, and long doctors can do through video calls and which is called a telemedicine. And some louders are the action for letters and no agree this many matters. And somewhere the action are provided their secretaries and doctors. In earlier time our doctors speakers and writer for long many problems, and invention has always writers are speech commercially in our society. In conclusion, our society action are provide their securities and conclusion are sources of many problems. In action are sources of loudspeakers and sources of many casualizing for your departmental store. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Amar Kumar Patel from class 8. Today I am here to deliver a speech on the topic of action speak louder than words. Action speak louder than words. We all know that something people belong because we along action in their speaker. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. Myself Ankit Yadav, I read in class 8. Today my topic is action speak louder than words. Action is will English provided or not action are this. Thank you.
Very good morning to all of you. Very good morning to all of you. Myself Shans Kumar from class 7. Today I am delivering a speech on the topic of actions speak louder than words. Today I want to talk about the power of actions and why the action truly speak about the words. So what can we do? Actions louder than our actions speak louder than word. First, we need to intensity about the what we say and what we do. Second, we need to follow through on our commitments. Third, we need to willing to be take risk and face challenges head on. Let's take sure you are living a life of integrity, authenticity and purpose. Thank you.
Good evening. Today I want to talk about something very important. Action speaks louder than the words. We know that about science lab. What is its importance? We know the answer is the science lab have experiments, so the student can easily see how it works and learn easier. So, how can we say the science lab is useless? The scientists don't give theory; they also give her experiment, because do not people believe on that scientist. To prove her invention, he give them experiment. So, in conclusion, I want to say the action and words both are important, but the action is more important than the words. So teacher teach student by words, but more actions. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Alok Yadav, standard class 8. Today my topic is action. Action speak louder than words. We have all heard it before, but how often do you truly live but put our words in these words? How often do you put our words into action? And let our word dates for themselves. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you respected teachers, principals and all my dear friends. I am Shivam Kumar from Standard 8. I am here to deliver a speech on the topic of action speak louder than words. We live in a world, words is a chief. Anyone can promise, make grand declaration to wow the world. Action speak louder than words because they demonstrated our real character and values and our importance. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you respected principal, teacher and all dear my friends. My name is Ganesh Kumar from class 8. Today my topic is action speak louder than word. Action speak are louder than word. Because the action speak our daily life, the routines, classroom and school back. Today the scientists, our school science lab knowledge our science speak and synthesize some of the science questions and speak our language. Today our work are our informants are our work and our speak. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. I am Syed Ansari and today I am here to deliver a speech on the topic of action speak louder than word. The simple phrase teaches that what we do is most important than what we say. We all know people make a big promise, but never them. If a student say I am study hard, but
but he cannot study and say कि I am study. I am study. Thank you.
First of warm and pleasant morning to one and all present here. This is Arpit Kumar from Standard 8 and today I want to talk important thing. Action speaks louder than words. Promises and words have no value unless we act on them. A student who says they will not study but never does will to succeed. A leader who makes big promises and takes no action and cannot bring change. Our actions show our true characters and intentions. If we want to achieve anything, we must do work hard. Success gets by who are acts, not just like a dream. So let's we prove ourselves through our dreams and actions. That's all. Thank you.
A very good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal and all dear my friends. My name is Zisan Ahmad, student class 8. My topic in action speak louder than word. The proverb action speak louder than word is a valuable life lesson. From our childhood we grow up learning that golden speak that is very present for a year, a very present for a golden sea. That is for example, some people your friend make a new year that is fuel of wisdom. For example, some people is a thank you.
Good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends. My name is Vivan Patel from Standard 8. Today I am here to deliver a short speech on the topic of action speak louder than word. A well-known English proverb which we often hear that action speak louder than word. Action speak louder than word. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, respected teachers, principals and all my dear friends. My name is R.P. Sarama from class 8. Today my topic is action speak louder than words. Action speak louder than words. It means what people do is more important and what they say. Actions are very important.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Chas Sakya from class 7. Today my topic is action speaks louder than words. Action speaks louder than words. It is a famous enough proverb in English which emphasize the value of your work and handship. Action shows your sweet mark and faith difficulties and thank you.
First of all, very good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends. My name is Subham Kumar and I study in class 7. Today I will talk about action speak louder than word. Action speak louder. A well-known proverb is
First of all, very all of you. Myself from Standard 8. My topic is action louder than speaker than word. The man is the action of louder speaker than word of a but also then make us make us difference of is don't who has don't is a make by action speaker louder than word of is because that is of a some things is the man who has the action word louder than but it is a than word action speaker louder than word. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you present here. This is Srishti from grade 8. Today I got a chance to share my experience on the topic of action speak louder than words. We all know that words are easy to say. Anyone can make promise, but do they always keep them? Not what truly matters is what we do. No say that we can say. We can say. Thank you. First of all, a pleasant morning to one and all present here. This is Urvasi from Standard 8, and today I am standing here to deliver a short speech on the topic of actions speak louder than words. Actions speak louder than words is an item that means what a person does is more important than what they say. If you want to be successful, just don't say it, prove it. If you want to be great friend, a great leader, and a great achiever, let your actions show it. Words can inspire, but your actions create change. Thank you.
A very pleasurable morning to one and all present here. I am Pratigya from Standard 8 and I am honored to be speaking with you all today. As we gather here this morning, I want to take about a phrase that has the power to change our lives. Action speak louder than words. These 5 words was reminder that it's not what we say that about, but what we do. Words are powerful, but words are alone are not enough. It's our actions that shows that world what we are shows that the action what world that भूल गए.
Good morning everyone. I am Ragini from Standard 8 and today I am here to speak about actions speak louder than words. This proverb is very powerful message. Actually we do words more than what we say. We often hear people making big promises, but how many do actually follow through? Words are easy to say, but action requires dedication, effort and honesty. A person true character is reflected by their deeds, not just in their speech. History gives us many examples of great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi and Mother Teresa. They did not talk about chances, but they took actions and transformed lives. That's all for today. Thank you.
Just a tree is known as by its fruit, not by its shape. A man is also known by its action, not by its word. Good morning to all. This is Sadbhavna, student of grade 8, and today I am standing here to talk about something that we all have experienced. That is true, but sometimes we forget. Action speak louder than words. We live in a world where promises are made every day, but do all they come true? Can words alone change the world? No, it is the action that truly defines us, what we are and what we stand for. Talking about kindness doesn't make anyone kind, but helping someone in their difficult situation does. Saying I will study hard doesn't make anyone successful. Actually, working hard does. This is why our action hold more than weight anything that we say. So my friends, I will to say you that don't make promises, let's fulfill them. Don't trust word, trust action, because action will prove why words mean nothing to us. That's all for today. Thank you for your attention.
First of all, a pleasant morning to one and all present here. Myself Madiha from class 7 and today I am present here to deliver a morning speech on the topic of action speaks louder than word. We often hear people making promises, expression, big ideas, but they are not. True character is not revealed through what we say, but through what we do. Thank you.
Honorable Chairperson, Principal, all my dear friends, my name is Kajal Yadav, a standard 8. Today I am going to deliver morning speech on the topic of action speaks loudly than work. As we know that through action speech, we should also understand the impact of good dues increase over time. A person of regularly work with over time to understand of the action. We should look at our country, society. If you want to provide society, thank you.
A very warm, pleasant and evening to all present here. This is Akanksha, Standard 8, currently studies CBSE Competitive School. Today we are going to discuss about action speech louder than words. Action speak is a saying that tells about that of a personal
A lovely morning to everyone. This is Afrin of grade 7. Of grade 8, today I got a chance to share my experience on the topic of action speaks louder than word. It is useful proverb that reminds that what people do is most important what they say. It emphasizes the importance of follow truth and integrity and coherence. As the Jewish people on basis their action rather than word. This proverb that thank you so much.
Good morning to everyone. This is Anushka of grade 7 going to a present speech on the topic of action speak louder than words. Action speak louder than more speak.
Good morning everyone. This is Aradhya Singh from Standard 8. Today I am here to talk about a phrase that we have all heard before. Actions speak louder than words. But what does it really mean? Let's take the example of Mahatma Gandhi, who didn't just talk about the independence, he fought for it. He led Dandi March, a 24-day walk to protest salt tax. His action inspired a nation and ultimately led to India's freedom. So let's not just talk about the actions speak louder than words. Let's work for it and make a change. Thank you all for your time and attention. Thank you so much.
First of all, a very good morning to all of you, respected principal, teacher and all my dear friends. I am Ananya from Standard 8. Today I am here to talk about on the topic of speak louder than words. It is a useful proverb that reminds what the people do you more important they say it encourage. That's something. Have a nice day.
A very warm and pleasant evening to one all present over here. This is Prem Sila from Standard 8, currently studying CBSE Competitive School. Today I am going to take your journey to action speak louder than word. Several wise proverbs in the world are quite origin in India. The similarly, the action in India, action speak louder than the world is old proverbs. Like much more proverbs, this proverbs is very valuable, wise or mutual things. First of all, when does action speak louder than the words? First of all, action carry much more much more